Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to create avatar in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also write your comments after watching and also put your likes necessarily under this video. So, dear friends, let us get down to this interesting topic with you. And please open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and then go to the settings section. And here you will have the word avatar under your profile picture. Click on it. Next, friends, choose to create your avatar. And now you will need to take selfies, a photo of your face. After you take the photo, you will need to choose your skin color and then click Next. Now friends, you can edit your avatar a little bit by clicking here. Here you can edit, for example, your hairstyle. Also friends, you can edit some parts of your face, like your eyebrows and so on. You can edit your physique, face shape, eyes, nose, lips, and so on. Also here you can give yourself the makeup you think you need. As you can see, there is such a big interesting choice here. You can also choose some clothes for yourself. Scroll down and choose the one that's closest to your style. Here, there are such folk and very interesting different types of clothes. As you can see, there are quite a lot of them. Once you've chosen what you like, you can also edit here if you have glasses, some, like extra jewelry, earrings, piercings, and so on. And once you've done that, that's it. Click Save. And wait until your avatar is completely done. And after you save your avatar, it will be already edited and you can use your avatar further. For example, put it as a profile picture or for some other purposes. This is the way you can easily create your avatar in WhatsApp. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.